Now that we know what a mutually exclusive event is, we need to talk about what happens about a non-mutually exclusive event, or a it's not mutually exclusive. What does that mean? What this means is they can happen at the same time. Okay? So whatever these events are, there's overlap. So what's happening is we're actually going to count an event more than once, and so we have to be aware of that so it doesn't affect our probability. So what this kind of looks like is we're going to take the probability of A or B. Well, I'm still just going to find the probability of A plus probability of B, because that's what OR means. OR means add. But there's overlap. So we have to take away the probability of A and B. So where they happen at the same time. Let me show you what that means. Okay? So this first example, we're going to roll a die. We're going to get a prime number or an even number. So on the die, my prime numbers are going to be 2, 3, and 5. So the probability of rolling this is a 3 out of 6. Or means add. An even number on the die is 2, 4, and 6. Well, that's 3 out of 6 as well. But I got a problem. I got 2 here, and I got 2 here. So I actually counted that 2 twice. I already counted it as a prime number, and then I recounted it as an even, but it's the same thing. So this is where we have that overlap. So I have to come in and subtract one of those 2's because I counted it twice. I can't do that. I can't get 2 twice. It only exists once, right? So I get 3 out of 6 plus 3 out of 6, which is 6 out of 6. That doesn't make sense because it just doesn't. We're not getting a 1. So then we have 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 1. This is a 5 out of 6 chance. Because if you look at it, we can get 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're just missing the 1. Does that make sense? I hope so. Let's try another. Deck of cards this time. Back here. What is the probability of drawing a heart or a 10? I didn't do it. Darn it. Okay, so let's take a look. Probability of drawing a heart, well, that's 13 out of 52. Or means add drawing a 10. There are 4 10s in the deck. So 4 out of 52. The problem here is one of my cards that I just double counted, found it, the 10 of hearts. I counted it here as a heart, and then I counted it here as a 10. So all I have to do, I have one card that repeats. I'm going to come in and subtract the repeat. That's all I'm doing, okay? So 13 plus 4, that's 17 minus 1. That is 16 out of 52, which is going to reduce to 4 out of 13. Okay? There's overlap, so we just got to be careful. Take care of that overlap. We got one more example. I made this one up. It's not real. I'd be really excited if it was, though. Okay. My healer has a litter of 8 puppies. 5 females, where 3 are red and 2 are blue. She also had 3 males, 1 red and 2 blue. If I pick a pup at random, what is the probability of picking a female or a blue puppy? So, how many female puppies do I have? I have 5 females. So that's 5 out of 8. Or a blue puppy. Blue puppy, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue puppies. So that's 4 out of 8. But there's overlap. I already counted these 2 blues because they're female. I don't have 7 females. I have 5, 2 of which are blue. So I've already counted those blue puppies, right? So what I have to do is subtract the overlap. So 5 plus 4 gives me 9 minus 2. I have a 7 out of 8 chance. So essentially what I've looked at is my 5 females, and then I'm going to add in the 2 blue males, so there's only 1 dog I'm not looking for. Does that make sense? If you got questions, let me know, practice, and let's see how you do.